So, a whole lot has happened in my 30 something years here, but I can't help but have a few favorites.
It's all just an artificial flower.
Des yeux qui font baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche, voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel j'appartiens.
I'd say the thread that's been holding it together, weaving in and out of all of the milestones, is nature. My own and the planets intertwined in this messy, artful, perfectly imperfect way. Nature's landscapes, its invitation to sense and forage its details, its tiptoeing into the contrasting daily demands of life as nourishment for the body,
Look, two
mind,
stuck
and
together.
spirit. Nature is a through line, largely undocumented for me and mostly just absorbed into my inner self, which has led me to the moment only I can taste and feel and know for myself right now, but that I wish to somehow share. So here we are. I have met Earth's nature in only a few of its forms, and my own nature in all of mine. Years ago, I committed myself to growing and learning in nature, basking in it, accepting my flaws in it, respecting it as the spirituality that joins my spirit with that of the universe. Very frequently rushing home inspired by it in a flurry to formulate ways I can bring it to myself and people I love. More recently, even people I don't yet know. Which brings me to today. I just turned 35 and life. Wow. I'm married to a woman so lovely I couldn't begin to explain her in a sentence. Our daughter, wild and beautiful, is growing in so many ways so quickly. It can send me into a panic if I allow it. I have become many things at this point, and I love many things. And there are so many things I want to be and accomplish in this life. And so while one could observe that herbalism is not all that I am, it is truly a healing way of living I believe in and practice daily. One that I know everyone can find joy taking part in their own way. I would like to be that connector in some small way for someone. While I share not only the formulations I'd like to offer, but ways one can take part in simple foraging and creating, growing, being conscious of experiencing nature in everyday ways. Everyday herbalism. Because there's no one way to do it as long as we're sharing in some way this living artfully alongside the seasons. Learning, understanding, being frank with ourselves and one another about our needs, being frank about how nature makes us feel and how we impact it, being frank and living well.